Mylar foil. Waterproof and weatherproof foil and Mylar emergency thermal blanket for retaining or deflecting heat. Mylar insert provides insulation and the foil cover can reflect heat back to the body or deflect heat from the sun. Mylar blanket is 52 long and 84 wide. 10-pack of emergency Mylar thermal blankets. A must-have for first aid kits and emergency preparedness. Top reviews from the United States. Perfectly described. Very happy with the product. Product I received was perfectly described. I am using in a somewhat unconventional way. I live in an older home with radiators and poorly insulated walls. I am wrapping cardboard with the Mylar and placing behind the radiators to reflect more heat into the house instead of into the poorly insulated wall. It is actually working really well and my heating bill last month was significantly lower than in previous years.